on. So I just got back from HOA. It was so fun. I was so impressed. There was a couple of delays a couple of times, uh, but we were able to get through the lines and got everything that we need. So I just got back out to the garden, and 4 days. 4 days makes such a big difference. But I was about to start weeding again, and I found this little volunteer. Let me see if I can show you. In the weed patch. Look at this little thing. That's not the zinnia bed. That's the zinnia bed. So yeah, I have me a new little volunteer. So exciting. So I just cleaned out these beds. I'm going to plant kale, cabbage, red and green. I might get some lettuces growing in here. I have really, really sandy soil here in Florida, and so I'm going to put some compost down and try to get them to grow better here. I am having better luck with the cabbages and the cauliflower, or the broccoli and cauliflower. My red and green kale that I already have in the ground here aren't doing as well. I did fish emulsion, fertilize them yesterday, um, and so we're going to try to get them to start growing up better. Um, I was able to, I moved off the mulch that I had from last season, and so I'm going to go ahead and put the plants in the ground and then remulch it. Um, so stay tuned for that. So I was able to get in all the cabbage, all the red cabbage, and two broccolis that I had. Two broccolis that I had. Um, Further down, I already got into an ant nest. Not looking to get into that again. I'm going to go ahead and water these all in and get them settled. And then tomorrow I'll come back and put mulch around them. I did have this little guy. I don't think he's going to make it. And he's a red cabbage. So I didn't think that I should put it in the ground. I'll go ahead and keep watering it. Maybe it will get bigger. I can find a place for it. I still have um, all the cauliflower, all the cauliflowers, the kales, and that should be it. Left to put in. I know these are small. These were seeded a little over a month ago, and they are still super small. I did fish emulsion these guys already yesterday. Um, I'm wondering if putting them in the ground will um, help with the growing. I've never grown fall crops before, so this is my first fall crops. I still have a whole bed of stuff to weed, but I was able to get this area, cleaned out enough to put them in there. I'm going to go ahead and put these guys back into an underflow water or sitting in water where they can suck up water whenever they want to, and get that going again so they don't dry out. Like I said, I'm going to water these guys in real good. Tomorrow I'll mulch them, and hopefully they'll start growing some. The cauliflower and the broccoli that I put in last month, maybe, Nope, beginning of this month. They're doing awesome. And other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.